Track 28. Listen to the telephonic conversation between Kitty and Jaya and complete the message. Listen to the conversation twice.
Hello, I'm Kitty from Finance Department.
Hello, can I speak to Aditya Kumar, please?
I'm afraid he's in a meeting at the moment. How can I help you?
I need to talk to Mr. Kumar. It's urgent. What time will he be out from the meeting?
I can't tell you. Can I take a message for him?
Yes. Could you tell him that Jaya Dua called and that I'm in my office all day if he could call me back?
Can I take your number, please?
Yes, it's 555-6872-511.
5556872511. Okay, I'll convey your message to him.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Goodbye.